Good morning students. Today we'll start a new chapter from class 5, chapter 4, Our School, A Happy Place. Green School. Asha and Mohit were walking to school together. Do you like going to school? Asha asked. Mohit smiled happily and said, I love school. It is where I see my friends, play games, and learn new things every day. It is my happy place. Our school is a place where we feel safe and cared for. It is where we learn so many things. Asha said, my school teaches us how to care for plants, trees and animals. I want to make my school better like a green school. What is a green school? Mohit asked. My brother told me once. Green school is a school where we manage our waste, save water, use electricity carefully, and make the campus green by planting more trees and taking care of them. Asha and Moti shared their idea with their classmates. Everyone became curious. What about our school? Can we make it a green school too? Their teacher Anupam, who is teaching them the world around us, asked, I enjoyed your discussion. I want to know, how will you begin this? Asha shared her suggestion with her classmates. Let us take a closer look at our school and decide what can we do to make our school a happy, safe and green school. Do you know? Swachh Bharat Swachh Vidyalaya, Clean India Clean School is a part of the Swachh Bharat mission started by the Government of India. It focuses on keeping schools clean and healthy for all. This includes clean toilets, safe drinking water, proper waste management, and hygiene education. Every child has the right to study in a clean and safe environment. Activity 1. Walk around your school and create its map. Include the main building, playground, garden, water tanks, and other key features. Do not forget the school gate and the pathways that connect the buildings. Right. Number 1. What do I like really about my school? Second, how can I make my school greener? Third, in case there is any difficulty at school, whom do I talk to or inform? Be a school explorer. You and your classmates can form school explorer teams. Here are some name ideas for your groups To choose strong. Water watchers. Electricity savers. Waste warriors. Green guardians. Traffic trackers. Before you start exploring, each group has to decide what to observe. Here are some suggestions. Electricity saver. Are lights and fans on when no one is using them? Do the classrooms use natural light? Which areas of the school feel the hottest and the coldest during the day? Green guardians. Are there trees or plants in the school? Who takes care of them? Where can we plant more? Do birds and butterflies visit these areas? Is there a compost pit in the school? Water watchers. Are there any leaking taps? Is water being wasted? Are water tanks clean and covered? Are there any wet places that could be breeding mosquitoes? Traffic trackers. What happens outside the school gate during arrival and exit times? Is there a pedestrian crossing across the road for children? Do vehicles speed in front of the school? Waste warriors. Where do you find litters? What kind of litter do you see? Are there enough dustbins around the school? Are the students using these bins? Why or why not? Are there separate bins for food waste and other waste? Once you have finished making your explorations, it is time to sit together and discuss your findings with the class. Number 1. What did you find? Number 2. Was there anything that made you feel concerned? 3. Did anything surprise you? What was it? 4. What made you feel proud? Let us understand more about each of the things we tried to explore. Waste management. We can reduce waste by using only what we need, reusing things, and not throwing away useful items. However, some waste, such as food peels, leftover and paper still remain. We have learned in earlier classes about the importance of separating waste into dry and wet categories to manage it better and to keep our surroundings clean. Right. Can you name the color of the bin used for the following? Dry waste, wet waste. Have you noticed that things like old newspaper are never thrown into these bins? They are usually kept aside and given to the traditional recyclers. The different recyclers collect different items. What are the various recyclers in your area called? Find out what each one collects. Right? First, what things does your school give to recyclers? Second, ask your parents and find out if there are any items that they had set aside to give to the recyclers. What are they? Find out with the help of your teacher. Ask a recycler to visit your class and share what they do at work. It will be interesting to find out where these items go and how they can be reused or recycled. Note to the teacher. Extend the discussion about the process of recycling, connecting to grade 4 activity on recycling paper. Also, encourage the students to think about the contribution of recyclers and sanitation workers to instill the value of dignity of labor. Activity 2. Segregation game. Make small paper chits 30 to 40 with the name or drawings of different items shown below. Add more items to the list based on what you see around your school or home. Take 3 empty boxes and label them. Green for wet waste, blue for dry waste, and the third can be labeled as items for recyclers. One by one, pick a chit and put it in the box. What is correct? After all the chits have been put in the boxes, take one box at a time and discuss whether it has been put correctly. Now, let us look at what happens to the wet waste. How is wet waste managed? First, in your school. Second, in your home. Discuss. First, what happens if we do not separate our waste? Second, what can we do to make the work of sanitation workers easier and safer? Ask your teacher to invite a member of the sanitation workers to your classroom. Ask them to share what they do, the challenges they face, and how can we play a better role in waste management. Let us be cool. Have you ever thought why some rooms feel warmer than others? Let us explore this and find out what keeps them cool. Trees that give shade and classrooms with the window where the breeze can come in can make the difference. A white roof can also make the roof cool because it reflects the sun's heat. On the other hand, A black surface absorbs heat. Activity 3. Take two tiles or stones, paint one black and the other white. Keep them under the sun. After a while, touch each of them and feel the difference in their temperature. Which one felt cooler? Right. If you have to paint the roof of your school or home white, what would happen? Discuss. If your area is getting warmer, what action can be taken to keep it cool? Dripping water. We all need water every day for many things. Water is a precious treasure. But do we use it carefully? You have already looked around your school and checked dripping taps. However, have you ever thought about how much water can be lost? Drop by drop. Even a small leak can waste a lot of water over time. Let us find out how. Discuss. First, what are some easy things we can do in our school to prevent the wastage of water? Second, how can you collect and use rainwater at home or in school? Do you know? The Jal Shakti Abhiyan is a campaign to save and protect water, to encourage people to plant trees, catch rainwater, and use water wisely. School can help students learn fixing leaks, collecting rainwater, and learning about the smart water use. By learning and taking small actions, schools can help protect water and teach everyone why saving water matters. Greenery around us. Right. First, name the trees on your campus or near your school. Second, which birds and insects have you seen near the plants or trees on your school campus? Trees are homes to many living beings. They keep the air clean, provide shape and food to birds and insects, and help keep the surrounding cool. Let us find out. First, take 2 glasses of water. Measure the temperature using a thermometer under the guidance of your teacher. Record your reading. Second, keep one glass under a tree and the other under the sun. After 1 hour, measure the temperature again. Record your reading. Water temperature. At start, 1 hour later. Under the tree, under the sun. What do these readings tell us? 3. With the help of your teacher, try to find out the names of the trees and plants that attract birds and butterflies. Try to create a butterfly garden in your school. Asha, Mohit, and the other children felt happy contributing to their school and also learning about the waste management and saving water. Their class received appreciation during their morning assembly. Their dream to make their school the best green school made them think about problems in their community and society. They felt that as students they could play an important role by spreading awareness about the issues that are making our lives difficult. Thomas talked about the problem of road accident. He had seen one while going home from school the other day. Mohit said, I think people don't follow traffic rules. We learned about them in our earlier classes. What do you think about what Mohit said? Traffic signs. Many accidents happen on the roads because people do not follow the traffic rules correctly. It is very important that we know the rules and follow them. Right. Find out and write at least 3 traffic rules. Second, think and write about what you saw at the school gate. Now, work in small teams to design a signboard for the school gate. Your sign should give a clean message to drivers, parents or students and help make the area safer. You can use simple words, drawing or symbols. Make your traffic signboard here. Discuss. Beside making signboards, what else can we do to improve traffic near the school? Mohit's school arranged a session on fire safety. All the students of the class attended this session. Fire safety. It is very important to learn how to stay safe from dangers like fire. Even if they do not happen often. Being prepared can help everyone feel safer and more confident. Right. Where is the fire extinguishers? Kept in your school? In case of a fire, where is the assembly point? In your school. Third, what should you do if there is a fire or if you smell smoke? With the teacher's help, practice a safe fire drill. First, move quickly and calmly to the nearest exit route. Do not panic. Do not run. Second, crawl low under smoke with your mouth covered to breathe cleaner air. Third, do not hide in the closets or bathrooms. Fourth, help others if it is safe to do so. But never return to the building once you are outside. 5. Go to the assembly point and stay with your group. 6. Once you have reached the assembly point, alert staff or teachers immediately if anyone is missing or injured. What we do matters. Just as we all need safety, care and respect to feel well and happy. The way we behave with others at school, at home or in public places also matters a lot. Our behavior can make these places peaceful and welcoming. Are uncomfortable and unpleasant. Let us look at some everyday situation to think about what is right and what is not. Activity 6. In small groups, discuss the situations given below. Each group will discuss one situation. One student from each group will then share their ideas with the class. First, 2 students are pushing and skipping the line at the water tap while others are waiting. Second, a student is scribbling on the classroom bench with a marker. Another child watches but says nothing. 3. Someone throws a wrapper in the playground. A younger student copies the same act. 4th, one student keeps teasing and making fun of another student. 5. A group of students are making noise in a public park and disturbing a small group doing yoga nearby. Each group would discuss. First, if you see such a situation unfold before you, what would you do? Second, what steps can we take to prevent such incidents? The way we behave shows the kind of person we are. Respect and kindness are not just words. We show them by waiting for our turn. Using kind words, helping someone, and keeping our place clean. When we are kind and polite, everyone feels happy. We have explored many ways to make our school a happy place. By saving water, managing waste, keeping it cool, and caring for plants, places and the people around us. Let us all join hands to make our school a very own happy place. Let us reflect. First, out of all the classrooms in your school, which one do you think is the nicest and why? Second, create a happiness tree on a wall or chart paper. Draw a large tree with many branches.
with many branches.
Each student should add a leaf
Each student should add a leaf
with one small action
with one small action
written on it
written on it
that makes the school
that makes school
a happier place.
a happier place.
For example,
For example,
greeting someone,
greeting someone,
turning off lights,
turning on lights,
sharing space,
sharing space,
etc.
etc.
Third,
Third,
sharing one's feeling
sharing one's feeling
is exciting.
is exciting.
Write a letter
Write a letter
to your teacher
to your teacher
on my school,
on my school,
my happy place.
my happy place.
4.
Four,
Which actions
which actions
would you extend
will you extend
to your home,
to your home,
neighborhood,
neighborhood,
and communities
and community
to make it a happy place
to make it a happy place
for all?
for all?
Describe any one of them
Describe one of them
in details.
in details.
5.
5.
Imagine a day in school
Imagine a day in school
from someone else's perspective.
from someone else's perspective.
Choose any one
Anyone
of the following. A student
a student
who navigates school
who navigates school
using a wheelchair.
using a wheelchair,
A student
a student
who speaks a different mother tongue.
different mother tongue,
A sanitation worker at school.
a sanitation worker at school.
Write a diary entry
Write a diary entry
from their point of view.
to your point of view.
What they felt. What was easy or hard. What made them smile or worry. As principal for a day, what 3 changes would you make to enhance happiness, safety and greenery in your school? 7. In groups of 4-5,
In groups of 4-5,
act out the following.
act out the following.
A student showing kindness
A student showing kindness
in different situations.
in different situations.
A team solving
A team solving.
a school water waste problem.
A school water waste problem.
A student helping
A student helping
a shy classmate
a shy classmate
feel included.
feel included.
After each role play,
After each role,
ask the class,
ask the class,
what did you see?
what did you see?
What was inspiring?
What was inspiring?
Could this happen in real life?
Could this happen in real life?
8. Write a 1-minute speech
Write a 1-minute speech
for your morning assembly
for your morning assembly
on my dream school.
on my dream school.
Mention what makes it special,
Mention what makes it special,
who helped it stay that way,
who helps it stay that way,
and what every student
and what every student
can do.
can do.
9.
9.
Take a quick survey,
Take a quick survey,
ask 5 students
ask 5 students
and 1 teacher.
and 1 teacher.
8.
8.
What is the one thing
What is the one thing
that makes them feel happy
that makes them feel happy
in school?
in school?
B.
B.
What is the one thing
What is the one thing
that could be improved?
that could be improved?
C.
C.
What is the one kind thing
What is
that they saw today?
that they saw today?
Record and present
Record and present
your findings to the class.
findings to the class.
What did you learn
What did you learn
from others?
from